To use PayPal Pay in 4 at Walmart, you first need to have a PayPal account and the Walmart app or access to Walmart's website. Start by shopping on Walmart's website or through their app and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. When you are ready to check out, select PayPal as your payment method. You will then be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. After logging in, you will see the PayPal Pay in 4 option as a payment method if it is available for your purchase. PayPal Pay in 4 allows you to split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments, with the first payment due at checkout and the remaining 3 payments due every 2 weeks. To use this option, simply select PayPal Pay in 4 and review the payment terms. You will then be asked to confirm your payment method and agree to the terms. Once you have confirmed, your purchase will be complete, and you will receive a confirmation email from PayPal with the details of your payment plan. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. You can track your payments and view your payment schedule in the PayPal app or on the PayPal website. If you need to make changes to your payment plan, you can contact PayPal customer service for assistance. Using PayPal Pay in 4 at Walmart is a convenient and flexible way to make purchases. And by following these steps, you can take advantage of this payment option and split your purchases into manageable payments. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and make your payments on time to get the most out of this service.